My government is committed to ensure food security for all citizens of Kerala. The public distribution system will be strengthened to ensure timely, adequate, and quality supply essential commodities to all eligible farmers, families. My government will take effective steps to control the rising cost of living, which has placed serious pressure on ordinary households. Price monitoring mechanism will be strengthened to check hoarding, black marketing, and artificial escalation in the prices of essential commodities. Consumer protection will be enhanced through stronger enforcement and accessible grievances redressal systems. Selected supply supermarkets will be modernized. The number of mobile Maveli stores, ration shops will be increased. Foremost objective of the Forest Department is to maintain ecological balance and thereby ensure the protection of flora and fauna, upholding the constitutional principles of safeguarding human life and property. The government assures that no action will be taken within the administrative system that will make human life around forest areas unbearable. My government recognizes that Kerala forests are the lungs of the state and the sources of its ecological security, water, wealth, and biodiversity. Forest conservation and sustainable management will receive focused institutional attention. My government will take effective and human steps to address the serious challenges of human-wildlife conflict, which has caused immense suffering for farming communities. My government will also take up the demarcation of boundaries between agricultural and forest land to protect the property rights of farmers whose land has been affected by old reserve forest notifications, resolving a long-standing source of anxiety and legal uncertainty for thousands of families. My government categorically emphasizes that the department shall function with utmost care and efficiency to mitigate human-wildlife conflict and ensure peaceful coexistence. The Forest Department proposes to address this matter through a three-tier strategy comprising containment, mitigation, and compensation. This will include the scientific estimation of wildlife population and the identification of circumstances that compel wild animals to stray out forest. Detailed studies will be undertaken to ascertain whether such incidents are caused by an increase in wildlife population, scarcity of food resources, or shortage of drinking water within the forest habitats. Scientific mitigation measures, including the use of artificial intelligence, solar fencing, biofencing, and sensor-based alert systems, will be adopted for effective management of the situation. In conflict situations that arise despite such measures, the government shall ensure that adequate compensation is provided and in a timely manner to all affected eligible persons. My government will accord highest priority in restoring the strengthening major public health institutions and have not received adequate attention in the past. This will form part of broader strategy to strengthen the infrastructure and human resources of medical colleges, district hospitals, and taluka hospitals in a balanced and equitable manner across the state. My government recognizes healthcare as a fundamental public responsibility and is committed to strengthen Kerala's public health system, which had historically been one of the strongest pillars of the state's developmental model. Unfortunately, the quality of facilities in the public health sector has been declining in recent times. Healthcare institutions at every level will be modernized with improved infrastructure, equipment, medicine availability, and human resource support, with primary health centers receiving special attention through digital integration and expanded specialist services. Greater emphasis will be placed on preventive healthcare, medical health services, palliative care, and elderly health care, alongside focused programs for lifestyle diseases, cancer care, maternal health, child nutrition, and community-based healthcare systems. My government will continue to strengthen medical education, nursing education, and healthcare research, while positioning Kerala as a leading destination for quality and affordable healthcare services. The pace of modernization across the public health system will be accelerated, ensuring that the legacy of Kerala's health achievements is not merely preserved but carried forward in a new heights of quality, accessibility, and equity.
ലോകത്തെവിടെയായാലും ഏത് സമയത്തും 24 വാർത്തകളും ഓഗ്മെന്റഡ് റിയാലിറ്റി പാക്കേജുകളും എക്സ്പ്ലെയിനറുകളും വിശദമായി കാണാൻ ഞങ്ങളുടെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാം.